Aura Frame vs Frameo 2025. Which digital frame is better? Digital photo frames have made a huge comeback, but choosing the wrong one can be disappointing. Aura Frame and Frameo are two popular options, so let's compare them honestly in 2025. Aura Frame focuses on premium design and simplicity. The frames look modern, blend into home decor, and display photos in high resolution. Setup is fast and photos automatically crop and adjust beautifully. Frameo, on the other hand, is more budget-friendly and flexible. It supports multiple users sending photos to the same frame, which families love. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on price. Aura frames cost more, but there are no subscriptions, ads, or distractions. Frameo frames are cheaper, as some models display small logos or prompts, depending on brand implementation. You won't believe how much display quality matters until you see them side by side. Aura consistently delivers sharper images and better color accuracy. Frameo shines in social sharing. Multiple relatives can send photos instantly, making it great for grandparents. The surprising truth is that Aura feels more polished, while Frameo feels more practical. In 2025, choose Aura if design, image quality, and simplicity matter most. Choose Frameo if affordability and family sharing are your priorities. Both are solid, but they serve different lifestyles. Subscribe for more tech comparisons that help you choose with confidence.